Mashup too. If I may borrow just 30 seconds from Amila and rest of the band, I just want to say, Wellington, you guys are up. I can't hear you. Good, I can hear you. Now let's everybody stand up and give a very standing ovation to all the young generation who has got absolutely marvelous talent. Come on guys, you got to be on your feet. Right? These guys are the new generation and they are absolutely marvelous. You guys are fantastic. I am very proud to share the stage with all of you guys. Here we go, Mashup 2.
Yeah, while the song was going, I was kind of sitting down, pondering to myself. 13 years ago, I was kind of that age, and I was sitting on that corner, little shy guy here, with the same crew actually. So it brings back joy, right, to see this young generation all.
I would like to say 13 years ago. I can't.
But now, kudos to the ones. Awesome. Yes.
Okay, guys, we got some dance music, so we would like all of you guys to come to the stage and let loose. Oh, sorry, not the stage, the dance floor over here. It's a sort of an imaginary flow, but we can move the chairs and then let loose. Have some fun. Come and join us.
All right, let's start with some Nelavena Baila, and more like Nelavena dance song. Let's do it, तुझे देख कर है जगना मैंने ये जिंदगानी संग दर बिताई तुझ में बसी है मेरे जान आए जिया दर्द दर्द जिया दर्द दर्द जिया दर्द दर्द जाए जिया दर्द दर्द जिया दर्द दर्द जिया दर्द दर्द जाए Give it up for the young guns.